guys, today I'm going to show you about my sticker collection. So this is my sticker book. It has lots of dolphins. This is the back page. This is my favorite dolphin.
At the front page you can see that there are starfish and there's a seahorse and crab.
This is the head for this dolphin, but dolphins don't need head. They don't swim.
This is a cartoon.
Yeah, that's a cartoon. It come out in shows sometime, but now it's dispelled from the TV. So this is the first page. Oops. So those stickers are from my social studies book. I just took it out because it was cute. Because I had some extras.
These are 4 soldiers, 4 young soldiers carrying guns.
They are actually shells, but suddenly they turn around. Here's defense forces. This is whatever.
Civil defense.
Police. And this is
a pilot.
Yeah, pilot. And these are races like Chinese,
citizens,
Malay, Balakan, and this one is whatever.
Europeans.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, multiracial society.
Things like
Colony.
A constructor, and this one is a chef. She's a chef. She cooks.
This one's what do you call?
People that work in like
office.
Yeah, office.
This one's tourists.
Yeah, tourists.
Let's go to the next page.
So the next page has
some cute sticker that we traded for.
And this is the nationalities, people that are from Singapore.
Yeah.
They are carrying Singapore flags, so you know they are Singaporeans. Those are
wolves and foxes.
And so this is the next page. Yes, some like faces. Yeah, faces.
Cool faces.
Cute and good. Next, of course, this is very cute. Nice stickers like very piggy. Yes, traded. And elephants. Bear. Those are seldom I use.
Animals actually.
Those things that I have cute thing.
Underneath is a iPhone sticker, iPhone button sticker.
And I like the blue one the most. You guys can see, it's very nice, right?
Extended.
If which one you like, you can also
leave it down in the comment section.
Yes, in the comment section. So these are mushrooms.
Mushroom.
Very polka dot heart shaped mushroom, and it's very cute. I just found. And this is a cute ladybug. It's also an iPhone sticker. It's quite special.
We placed here.
Yes, I don't want to place here because they are not real things.
Next page we have.
These are fishes. Big, cool, cute fishes. Next one, this is a sticker. Very cute. It's something like an emo fish. I'm so sorry I don't have emos. This shark. No, this is not shark.
It's a dolphin.
This is a shark and a dolphin.
The shark is the smaller one.
And this is a baby fish. You guys can see baby.
Swim.
See swimming. No, stop that joke already. Okay, so let's check the next page. Oh, I have a shirt sticker too.
It's a skirt.
It's a dress actually. Haha. And this is all my collection. As there is one page I couldn't show you because there is my name sticker, and so sorry I can't show you, but it's okay.
Leave it down at the comment section which one you like more.
Yeah, either the front. One like is the front. One comment is
please
the
like and
back.
subscribe us.
Yeah, please subscribe if you already like our video. No more comments, or please don't
as
watch.
usual.
Yeah, as usual. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.